Hi, it's Hannah at WTI.
Cabinet hinges. It's something you use every day. You don't think about them until you do. I got new hardware, drawer pulls for our cabinets, and then I realized I needed new hinges to match the color. So these are by KIW, and I am thrilled with them. I didn't think my old ones were not very good until I put these on, and now I realize how much better hinges can be. These are for overlay cabinets, so our cabinets and the hinge are completely on the outside of the cabinet frame. These were very easy to install. It comes with two different kinds of screws. So the flathead ones go on the piece with the 3 screws that attach to the cabinet door, and the rounded ones go on the piece that attaches to the frame. I encourage you to install the piece that goes on the cabinet door first, and then have a helper to hold the cabinet up against the frame to install the piece that attaches it to the actual frame. It also has a really nice self-close feature, so if your cabinet door is closed within about a 30-degree angle, it will close all the way. These are brushed nickel and they match my brushed nickel handles perfectly. They even include the little pads to go on the corners, which really reduces the sound when your door is closed. If you're going to have hinges that show in your kitchen, I highly recommend, because not only do they work really well, but they're actually very beautiful. The little detail on them is very pretty. So, are you thinking about hinges? Go ahead and order these.
And that's my point of view.